Imagine getting your taxes done perfectly, without spending a single dollar on software or a preparer, and feeling completely confident about it. Sounds good, right? Well, the Internal Revenue Service offers a fantastic program that can make this a reality for millions of taxpayers. To compare Internal Revenue Service Free File tax software, you should focus on your adjusted gross income, the specific tax forms you need, and whether you requiring state tax filing assistance. The Internal Revenue Service Free File program provides a gateway to several trusted software options, but each has its own eligibility requirements and features. The reason comparing these options is so important comes down to eligibility. Each participating free file software provider sets its own adjusted gross income limit, which can vary year to year. For instance, some providers might serve taxpayers with an adjusted gross income of $79,000 or less, while others have different thresholds. This means that while the Internal Revenue Service provides the program, the individual companies decide who qualifies for their specific free offer. Understanding your adjusted gross income is step one in unlocking the right free software for you. Beyond income, some software focuses on simpler returns, while others support more complex situations like self-employment income or itemized deductions, so knowing what forms you need is crucial. So how do you actually compare them? First, visit the official Internal Revenue Service Free File website, which is irs.gov/freefile. This site is your central hub and lists all the current year's participating providers. Look at each provider's eligibility criteria, especially their adjusted gross income limit, to see if you qualify. Next, consider your tax situation. Do you have a W-2, or perhaps you are self-employed and have a Schedule C? Some software handles more complex forms better than others. Finally, think about your state taxes. Many free file providers also offer free state filing if you qualify for their federal program, but not all do, and some might charge for state even if federal is free. Ask yourself, will this software support all my federal forms and will it help me with my state return too? A little known fact about the Internal Revenue Service Free File program is that it is a public-private partnership. The Internal Revenue Service partners with leading tax preparation companies who agree to offer their software for free to a significant portion of taxpayers. This ensures you are using commercial-grade software, often the same programs others pay for, but at no cost to you. Also, remember that if your adjusted gross income is above the free file program limit, you might still qualify for the fillable forms option directly on the Internal Revenue Service website. This option allows you to manually enter your tax information, similar to paper forms, but handles calculations for you, though it does not offer guidance. By carefully checking your adjusted gross income, identifying your required tax forms, and evaluating state filing options, you can confidently navigate the Internal Revenue Service free file choices. This proactive approach ensures you select the best free software for your unique financial picture, helping you manage your taxes efficiently and without unnecessary expense, empowering you to keep more of your hard-earned money.